Oh, and he misses. Welcome back to another D&Gav Adventures. We have made it to Big Stone Lake. We are out in the Verbo rental here. Got 2 boats out. Supposed to be a third, but they caught COVID. Here is our rental right here. He has his own boat launch too, so pretty nice and helpful. Over there, plans. What I like to do is go for the walleye first. We're out here for 4 days and 3 nights. So plans are to hit the water in the next couple hours here and go for some walleyes. And if the white bass happen to come across, or we happen to come across the white bass, then it's always a plus. See you on the lake. We're here on the water. Water clarity is pretty damn clear. We're about 7 feet of water right here, and I can see the bottom. Fishing over some rock piles right here. Plans for me. Jig head, dragging the minnow, we're bouncing it right along the shore, dragging it back to the boat. Gavin, what's your setup? You got a couple mimic minnows on? Yep. Grandpa's got a mimic minnow. Gavin's got a mimic with a blade on it, spinning blade, and he's got some weed on it. My brother's got a spoon, trying to get some action on it, catch their attention. So we'll see what happens here. King Paul with the fish. Whoa! Bring it in the boat, bro. Boat flip, hurry up. Oh, that's a big one. Yeah, over there, where you turn right by the under the sun. Hey, all your flies are gone. Got one? Oh shit! Hold your phone high. He's serious.
It might be a pike. It's a pike. It's a walleye. Walleye.
It's a big ass walleye. Hold on, Gavin. It's a big ass walleye, bro. It's a fucking giant. Oh shit! He just got a walleye. Come on.
Yeah.
Oh, let go of the rope. Let go of the rope. Make sure you don't drop your GoPro in there.
Woo!
Yeah, is that your first walleye?
Yeah.
Holy shit! Did you get it on video? Yeah. Yeah. Did you toss it up like I told you? Now you want to stay, huh? Hold the pole, huh?
I'm scared of the teeth.
Yeah, don't. Here, let me do it. I get him. Move back, step back. Here, let me get on the back row.
Ow.
Wait, let me move.
Ow.
Take a picture, baby.
Camera right here, too.
Nighttime. Time for some poker.
Are we having 30?
Yeah. How many chips are we playing with? 30 chips, guys. Single counts. 30 chips. Let's go 5. She gonna punch me in the face. Who gonna go? Who gonna go? Uncle Chewy's calling me. Oh, look at all these people. There ain't nobody scared.
3 more.
5 total. Okay, good. And 2. I call it.
I check.
Call your folk. I go 5. What you got?
You get it straight?
For sure. Yes, I'm rich, guys. We're on day 2 here, guys. Evening fishing. I think we found the spot. Right over here. It's pretty weedy. And we're about 6 foot of water. Oh shit, there he goes. And we're using poppers. The weed, there goes the weed line right there, but this whole thing is pretty thick with weeds. So this area right here, it's about a foot of water, and then right below it is weed. So we're using poppers, and this guy's getting some giants in here. Let's get it going. And there goes Dion right over there with Grandpa and Uncle Gome and Jay. Let's see what they can do. Jay's got one too. D, use the spot lock on it. Yeah.
Spot lock it, dude. Just sit right here.
Let's go with the. We're just in this little bay. There's a point over there. We're just letting it drift down. We're on the Minnesota side. We're pretty far up north. Look for this house, guys. Oh, damn, hella action over there in the thickets. Boom, boom, he says. Look at that.
We came back for this one.
On fire. See if this guy can get another one. Boom, there it is. Fish on, he says.
Man, Uncle Taylor's gonna be missing out.
We ain't coming back. It's a far ass drive. Come on, Jay, let me see that. Come here, I got some popper in my toad up there. It's up front. Oh, damn, Junior says.
Yeah.
It's under Junior.
You got a big sunny again? Holy shit. Hate this triple hook.
He missed it. Oh, D's got one. What's the time?
Evan, you want to fish, Evan? 450.
450, guys. Just biting at 450.
What up, Tom?
Then.
Okay. Okay. Hey, you guys get a towel.
D, there's a towel in that drawer up there.
See, look. My hand's all bleeding everywhere. So much fish. I get Evan nose all bleeding. Hey, Evan, what the hell, man? You got black over his face. Look, you want to see my hand? Look. See it?
Hey, what time is it? 5:55, guys, and action's still going on. But I think I'm gonna call it quits for today's video. Stay tuned. Next week, release of video 2 of Big Stone. Catch you on the next video. We're back for day 3 of Big Stone, guys. Yesterday was pretty successful with the popper. Today, we kicked all the boys out. We got all the ladies in the boat today. So it's gonna be their day. So we'll see if they can pull in some white bass.